Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to change the default storage location for CapCut drafts. Moving your project folder off your main C drive preserves valuable solid-state storage space and prevents CapCut from slowing down due to massive cached project sizes. First, open CapCut homepage. Move your cursor to the absolute top right corner. Click on the gear icon and click Settings from the drop-down. When the primary settings panel window pops up, ensure you are on Draft tab Layout. Look at the very first line section explicitly block labeled Save To. Click explicitly on the small folder icon positioned on the far right side of that path string. A Windows File Explorer window will instantly pop open. Navigate to your target storage drive partition and select the folder. Click the Select Folder or OK button at the bottom right to validate your path modification. Now, click the Save button to officially write the changes into the software configuration engine. Finally, close and relaunch CapCut to ensure all brand new drafts automatically route directly into your fast secondary storage partition. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.